Saturday night, we got an information that Baptista D'Costa is missing from Kolwa. The missing complaint was lodged by his wife Santana at police station at next day on 20th. That is on Sunday. On Sunday, we registered a missing complaint that he was missing since Saturday night after 10:30 HRS. After the registered missing report, we conducted inquiry. In our inquiry, we received a phone call from Deputy Sarpanch Bethelbatti, informing that one dead body of male person is lying at Bethelbatti, Lovers Beach. Accordingly, PSI Anand left to the spot, verified the scene, and we registered the unnatural death. Then conducted a Pancharama. After conducting Pancharama, body sent for preservation at GMC Bamboli. And at police station, we registered a murder case of that is under section 302 against unknown person. After registering murder case, all the team of South Goa consisted done by SP South, Device P. Raju South, P.I. Ravi, P.I. Sudesh, P.I. Kapil, myself, and my team consisted of PS all PSI Samir, Yashwant, Rahul, Bharat, Anand, Smita, SSSC, LIB team, Gaurav Gaus, Somnath Naik, Ajay Naik, plus Avinash Naik of Kulchari. We work very hard. Our CCTNS staff work very hard, call details, verify kele. After verifying, we got a clue. We rounded up suspects in this case. After rounding up suspects, we got a clue, and we went towards the clue. And today morning, at around 11:20 HRS, we caught the main accused, that is Aman Gopal Kavatia. He is a resident of Pune, and he was staying at Kolwa since many years. His age is 21 years. After arresting him, we interrogated him with the LIB team, my PSIs, and we record all the items which has been taken by the accused. That is the mobile phone of the accused, we have recorded. The cash which accused was having, that also recorded. The gold ornament which accused was having, that also recorded. We also record the clothes of the accused person which we had worn at the time of committing a crime. Also, further we also record the bike of the accused person which he used to dispose the materials. Now he is under arrest and we will produce him before the court for further remand.